Hey, this is Timothy Quast. I'm going to show you my project 0 submission for the CS50 Python and Web Development course. So it's just a simple web page. We've got 4 pages here: home, about, picture, and table. So at the home page, we can see we just describe each one of the 4 pages very briefly. And so now we're going to go through these pages, see what's in here. We've got an about page with a few facts about me, my faith. I follow Jesus. I'm an actuary. Here's some of my hobbies. We've got some links here to other places. This is a YouTube video, for example, of myself playing saxophone. So it's kind of fun. We've also got, a link to my own personal website, which is also kind of fun. So this is a bit of a review for me, but yeah, so you can kind of follow these links around. This is how to be an actuary, just in case you wanted to know. You probably don't. But here we go. So this one also just takes us to the table on the same webpage. So let's go to the picture. There's my beautiful mug. That's what I look like. I'm really handsome, I know. And lastly, we've got the table. As promised in the About page, it lists some of my favorite Bible verses. And so, yeah, we've got this table, the reference to the Bible verse, the text of the Bible verse, and then a little blurb about why I like it. So that's my webpage, and I hope you like it. Thank you.